Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning, and Eric here with an update for you on today's weather, which is going to be warm. It's going to be sort of humid, a little bit breezy, and we've got some scattered showers and thunderstorms to talk about as we get into the afternoon today. It's a dry morning, and I've got the temperatures plotted up. We're going to hit 70 here before you know it this morning, and I think we'll flirt with 80 later on this afternoon. These are the temperatures. Let me actually take off the temperatures and plot up the dew points for you, and I'll stop the radar loop here. It's a little bit muggy. Now, if this were July, we wouldn't be talking about this being muggy. We'd be talking about this being pretty comfortable, actually, but we're not in the heart of summer yet, so dew points getting well up into the 50s, flirting with 60 or so, is a little bit on the muggy side for the first half of the month of May. All right, so the Storm Prediction Center does have our area in what we call a marginal risk today of severe weather. What does that mean? That's kind of a 1 in the dark green on a scale of 1 to 5. 5, of course, being the highest, and 5 is something we almost never see around here, and only a couple of times a year do we get into the 3 or 4 numbers on this 1 to 5 scale. We're in the 1 category today. Not real concerned about widespread severe weather today, but could there be a few feisty thunderstorms later this afternoon into this evening? Sure. And again, it's going to be pretty warm. These are the temperatures before showers and thunderstorms really start to blossom today. I think 79, 80, 81 will be fairly common. All right, the timing of the rain today. This is going to be one of those things where it's going to be classic hit or miss variety stuff. When we talk about things today, it's not going to be raining in every backyard at the same time, for the most part, later on today. So we're dry through lunchtime today. I'm going to fast forward to mid-afternoon. This is 3 o'clock. This is when showers and storms will start to initiate, will start to bubble up, and I think they'll become more and more numerous as we head towards evening. But even then, you'll notice our high-res model here. It's not like it has rain everywhere. I mean, it's real hit or miss, but the threat is there, and showers and storms will continue roaming around some parts of the area as we get into the evening and even into parts of the overnight as well. So any storm today could bring a brief hard downpour. You're certainly going to have to duck inside if you're on the golf course, trying to play softball, baseball, anything you have going on today. These downpours will be scattered about the region later today and into this evening. We'll get a break from the rain tomorrow afternoon into Saturday, although it's going to be cool. Let's briefly talk about the Sunday forecast. I'm going to fast forward all the way to early Sunday morning here. Showers likely to push in late Saturday night. What about Mother's Day? There's some timing differences on the models right now, but the bottom line for you is the threat of some rain is going to be there, even though the timing and distribution of the rain may not be exactly as this model depicts. The threat is fairly elevated for at least some rain on Sunday, and I also think it's going to be a pretty cool day. We might have a hard time getting out of the 50s Sunday afternoon, and that will lead to a pretty cool start to early next week as well. All right, so stay weather aware today. Have the Storm Tracker 21 app with you today. You can track anything that's popping on the radar. Don't forget you can also plot up lightning on the interactive radar. Tap on map on the app to catch that radar and lightning display. Tap on hourly anytime on the app to check out our latest hour-by-hour rain chances. And I'll have a full update this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11. Hope to see you then.